Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a crochet installation. So the hair that I'll be using is the Sensational African Collection Jamaican Bounce in 26 inches. So this is in the color 2. For some reason I thought I got a 1B, but it is the color 2, but that's alright. I'm gonna rock with the color 2. So as far as what's going on with my hair right now, I did do my clay mask on yesterday, and then afterwards I just went ahead and I braided my hair straight back. Show you guys the back. So I just did it off camera because it takes less time for me to braid my hair off camera than it does on camera. So yeah, that is all that is going on with my hair. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my DIY aloe vera oil and I'm just going to oil my scalp before I get started. So this is the hair, you guys. Ooh, this is so pretty. Super bouncy. And I like the texture of the hair, you guys. It looks like my hair, like if I did wand curls or something, this is how my hair generally looks. So let me go ahead and take it out. The pack. Y'all, I hope this is enough for my hair. Ooh. Cause baby, y'all know this head a little big. And I gotta make sure I have enough because I don't have enough time to get any more hair before my flight tomorrow. So let's just hope this is good. So each bundle comes with 14 ringlets. Super duper cute and bouncy. And this is the hair. I am going to separate the hair just a little bit. So I'm going to separate the hair in two and pull it apart. It does get a little frizzy. You're kind of gonna do this so that it could like lessen the frizz. See? Now it's back to being almost perfect. Alright guys, so I am going to get started with the installation process. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle, I'm gonna open the latch hook, and then I'm going to place it downward, just like that. I'm gonna get a piece of hair. I'm gonna attach it to the latch hook. I'm gonna close the latch hook. I'm gonna pull it through. And then I'm just gonna pull it through this way. You can double knot it if you want, or you can single knot it. It's really up to you. And as you can see, it's super nice and bouncy. So this hair has a little bit of frizz, so you do have to be careful not to be alarmed when you see a little bit of frizz, but you can always, you know, cut off the extra stragglers. All right, y'all, so we are good. So we are gonna keep on going. We're gonna push the crochet needle through, take the hair, we're gonna attach it, close the latch hook, pull it through. Now you can do a double knot, as I was saying, or a single knot. So to do a double knot, you're just going to put the hair through, twist it, put it through one more time, then tighten it. But I think a single knot is fine for this. So then I'm going to take another ringlet. So as you guys can see, the ringlet is real, even though it's 26 inches, when you stretch it this way, it's only 13. But what they mean by 26 inches is if you stretch it all the way out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this hair in two. It is going to get a little bit frizzy, but don't be alarmed. See, it's going to get frizzy, but you're going to use your fingers and just work the hair. Do the same thing on the other side. As you guys can see, it's not as frizzy anymore. You're just going to take this part, push it through, You're gonna take your hair, you're gonna hook it on the latch hook and pull it through. You're gonna put the hair through and you're gonna secure it just like that. So I decided to do I think I'm gonna have more than enough hair. At first I was a little skeptical because y'all know your girl head a little big, okay? So but as far as what I see, I think I'm gonna have more than enough hair, but I did start up top first just in case I start to run out, you know, the top part is covered. Y'all, this bounce is definitely there. Super duper cute. This is like getting wand curls without applying heat to your hair. So I do want a side part. As you guys know, I love to rock me a really good side part. So I think my side part's gonna be right here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm actually gonna do the invisible part method for that one. So I'm gonna split the hair. See, this one's trying to separate with minimal frizz. Let's see. Yep, separate it with minimal frizz. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna insert the crochet needle. I'm going to attach it to the latch hook. I'm gonna close the latch hook. I'm gonna pull it through. But instead of pulling both of these sides through, I'm only gonna pull one through. Just like this. And I'm gonna bring it over. Perfect. So again, for the invisible part method, instead of pulling both sides of the hair through, I'm only gonna pull one through. And I'm gonna pull it tightly. I'm gonna pull only one side through, flip it over. Again, I'm only gonna be pulling one side through. And again, we are just going to pull one side through.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah.
Alright y'all, so this is how the hair looks so far. So I'm just gonna work on this last braid right here. So I'm gonna do the invisible part method for this one as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the hair. I'm gonna push the crochet needle through. I'm gonna attach it to the latch hook, close it, pull it through. And instead of putting both sides through, I'm only gonna put one side through. I'm gonna pull it tightly, just flip it over. I'm gonna get another piece of hair. I'm gonna attach it to the latch hook, close it, pull it through. But instead of putting both through, I'm just gonna put one side through. I'm gonna pull it to tighten it. And then I'm just gonna keep doing that alongside the braid. All right guys, so this is the hair so far. Let me turn around so you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna shape it a little bit. I'm just gonna start just cutting a little bit so that it could frame my face a little bit better.
You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.